Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the largest development in St. Anne, Jamaica. Paradisiac Beach Club is a luxury beachfront residential resort located in Landovery, St. Anne, Jamaica. Developed by Manuka Development Company Leiladi, the project aims to set a new standard in tropical paradisiacal living, consistently exceeding expectations in every aspect of luxury, comfort, and convenience. Key features: luxury residences. The development offers a range of luxury homes designed to provide the ultimate level of convenience and comfort. Exclusive amenities: homeowners have access to private beaches, swimming pools, and multiple clubhouses, ensuring a resort-like experience within the community. On-site conveniences. The property features convenience stores, a variety of restaurants, and numerous parks and public areas, creating a self-sufficient environment where residents may not feel the need to leave unless necessary. Lush gardens. The resort boasts lush gardens filled with vibrant blooms and tranquil settings, offering residents a peaceful haven to escape to. Location. Situated just across from the prominent Richmond estate, Paradisiac Beach Club is strategically located to offer both seclusion and accessibility. Its prime beachfront position provides residents with stunning ocean views and direct access to pristine beaches. Developer background: Manuka Development Company Limited, the developer behind Paradisiac Beach Club, has a notable presence in St. Anne, Jamaica. Their portfolio includes developments such as Great Pond Estate, Manuka Oaks, and Pyramid Point, reflecting their commitment to quality and luxury in residential projects. Experience the epitome of luxury living, where nature and elegance converge at Paradisiac Beach Club. For a visual tour of the property, you can watch the following video.